What is up, you guys? It's been a long while since I've vlogged or even talked about it. Today we're gonna start off with a really short video, but I'm sure it'll be educational. It's nothing too crazy, it's no big mod, but it is how to change your cabin air filter.
A member of the Information Society. That's a difficult question because I didn't know we were in the Information Society.
Alright, like I said, it's nothing too crazy, it's just maintenance and showing you how to change out your cabin air filter, which I don't believe there's too many videos showing people how to do that. So, here you go. To start off, first you're going to want to open up your glove box. The glove box will be attached by two mounts at the bottom. Essentially, all you're going to do is pull up towards you on your glove box, and you should be good to go with that first step. So pull up, and now your glove box is detached. Now set it aside. Now your cabin air filter is this right here. There's gonna be 4 clips. So you compress all 4 clips and then you just bring out the air filter. So my cabin air filter is pretty much brand new because I changed it out a week ago. But that's pretty much it. Buy a new cabin air filter, of course, at your Subaru dealership. I believe you can also purchase the cabin air filters online, but I just bought mine at Subaru for like, I believe it's like 20 to 30 bucks. Nothing too expensive. But once you remove your old cabin air filter, you're gonna take the new one and put it back in, of course. And there's gonna be an arrow pointing up, and you're gonna see the 2 push on both sides of the cabin air filter. And yeah, with that arrow pointing up, that's how you're gonna insert the cabin air filter. When you hear that click, that means your cabin air filter should be seated correctly. Alright, once you hear that click and it feels like the cabin air filter is seated correctly, you're going to take your glove box and then remount it on these 2 mounts. Once you remount your glove box on those 2 mounts, you're going to want to check to see if it's seated correctly and flush. Once everything seems good, you're done installing your cabin air filter. Alright guys, like I said, this is a pretty short video. Nothing crazy, like regular maintenance that you should take on your WRX. I believe it's the same from your 15 to 18 WRXs, but don't quote me on that, I could be wrong. But for sure from 15 to 17 it should be the same. Please like, subscribe, and hopefully I'll be showing my next video, which I'm gonna redo my spark plugs and gap them. So tune in for that, and I'll see you guys next time. Oh, and before I forget, for those of you that may be affected by Hurricane Florence, my prayers go out to you guys, and that's no joke. And for those of you that are watching this and that are first responders or military, thank you guys for going out there and helping out people in need. So like I said, my prayers go out to all you guys, and I wish I could do more. It's no joke. So again, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, share, and you guys stay classy.